In this video, I'll show you how to automatically get likes and comments on any Instagram post you want. No manual work, no switching accounts all day, no wasting time. With this tool, you can manage multiple Instagram accounts from one clean dashboard. Each account works independently, performing likes and comments just like real users. Before starting, you simply prepare your comment content once. You can write multiple versions and use spin text, so every comment looks natural and unique. This helps avoid repetitive comments and keeps engagement looking organic. Next, you choose how you want to boost engagement. You can target a post by direct link, by keyword, or by a specific Instagram account. You decide exactly where the likes and comments will go. Then select the actions you want. Auto like the post, auto comment on the post, even save the post if needed. You also control the timing. Set smart delay intervals so actions happen gradually, not all at once. Once everything is ready, just click start. The software automatically logs in, opens real sessions, and performs interactions step by step. You can watch everything happen live right on your screen within minutes. Your post starts receiving likes and comments. More engagement signals, more visibility, more chances to reach Explore and Feed. This is especially powerful. You are doing marketing, selling products, running affiliate offers, or growing brand accounts. Instead of waiting for engagement, you create it. Instead of hoping for reach, you trigger it. If you want to scale Instagram engagement without doing everything manually, this is the system you need. Check the link below to learn more about Instagram Auto Liker and start boosting your posts today.